I just want to encourage all of you by saying how people treat you starts with how you treat yourself. So make sure that you as a man represent yourself and your kingdom well, okay? If you are a sophisticated man, you shouldn't be carrying yourself undergroomed, with your hair matted down, lint in your head, just looking bad, underarms dirty, in your shirt, just, you know, pants all off of you, wrinkled clothes, stretched shirt, look like somebody jacked you up, or like you went to sleep in your shirt. You shouldn't be out there like that. You understand? You should be able to take care of yourself. Be well manicured, okay? Making sure you're taking care of those nails, that skin, and that hair, okay? We need to be healthy out here, kings. Represent yourself well, okay? We can't be approaching women thinking they're supposed to give you some type of respect or give you the time of day when you are not giving yourself the time of day. You got to be accountable to the reality that you want, to the respect that you command. You command that by putting the time into taking care of yourself, okay? You can be okay looking, but you can make yourself handsome by how you take care of yourself. A lot of us men, we don't even know how to hold our face in the presence of women. We don't know how to have a masculine frame because we don't practice in the mirror. We shun men who take the time to take care of themselves by calling them pretty boys and things like that, when actually we should take care of ourselves. We should care about that because we're representing ourselves. You understand? So how you treat yourself is indicative of how you treat other people. So if you're walking around looking busted and disgusted, but you want other people to treat you with respect, then you have to think about how much respect are you giving you. You understand? How much time are you giving you and focus are you giving you? So I encourage you men, rise to the occasion. Take the time before you step out these doors to represent yourself like the king that you are. People judge you by your looks. We live in that world, man. If they think you're sneaky, they're gonna treat you like you're sneaky. Okay, this is just if you have a face that looks sneaky. You understand? Imagine if you dress sneaky. And we all know what the stereotypes are. So men, rise to the occasion, okay? I'm not telling you guys to let somebody control how you dress, but I'm telling you guys to choose how you dress, choose your attire based on the type of purpose that you have, okay? The type of respect that you want. Understand that must be claimed, and you don't claim it by saying words. You understand the universe don't speak in words, it speaks in action. So if you want respect, then you have to be about respect by how you dress yourself, how you represent yourself, how you speak. Many of us don't take the time to choose our words wisely, so we speak in such low vocabulary, okay? And so anyone who's speaking with intelligence, we criticize. And if you are intelligent, you should care about the words that come out of your mouth and how you speak your words and how you represent yourself. You should want people to understand what you're saying, so therefore you've put a lot of time into your explanations. You understand? Because you're a king and you're a leader, and you're supposed to raise the vibration of others around you. And if they don't understand the language you speak because you don't take the time to make sure you put it in a way they can understand it, then that's a you problem. You understand? So I just want to encourage you kings to know this. We are undervalued, but that's because we carry ourselves in a way that where we don't value ourselves. We are unappreciated. And I think it's because we don't know our own value, so we don't apply ourselves. And we should be better at that, family. And like I said, it starts with that man in the mirror. Okay? You'll be able to connect with your purpose and your mission if you first start with taking care of yourself daily, taking care of yourself bodily, what you put in your body, have a workout regimen, have a nutrition plan, and get in that mirror, family. Take care of yourself. Know how to groom yourself. You don't have to be an expert barber. And some of you guys, if you got the money, you can go to the barber. But if you don't, man, you should be practicing in that mirror on how to groom yourself. But in a couple years, you will be almost like an expert. But we should at least know how to shape ourselves up, line ourselves up. You understand? We should be smelling good. We should look like kings. We should look like somebody who should be respected. You know how you treat somebody who's very cleaned up versus somebody who hasn't taken the time to take care of themselves. So just know that we are in control over how we treat it to a certain degree. And the media is going to try to tell people to see us a certain way and all that, but we don't have to contribute to that. Okay? We can go out and create our own reality by how we choose to dress, by how we choose to speak and carry ourselves. Don't let them tell us how to be. We're not playing roles anymore. It's time for us to create the role. All right, family, character is everything. So be encouraged, kings. Peace.